shark do 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 do.
G for grapes. G grape. Round and oval shape. H for hen. I for ice cream.
Ice cream, what a sweet treat. Fresh fruit ice cream, yummy to eat.
J for jelly.
Hey, jelly on a plate. Hey, whipple wobble, jelly on a plate.
K for kite. Fly a kite, fly a kite, fly a kite. L for lion.
Do do baby lion, do 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 baby lion.
M for monkey. N for nest.
5 little eggs were sitting in the nest.
O for orange. Orange, orange, soft and pulpy orange. P for parrot. I'm a parrot, parrot reads green. Q for queen.
The Queen of Hearts, she made some time.
R for rabbit.
Rabbits, rabbits, 1, 2, 3.
S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van.
Van is my name.
W for watch. X for xylophone.
Xylophone.